Ciao from City Walk, 1819. Happy Sunday, smart people. We are in City Walk, where actually we just finished the renovation of this flat. So, and I want to highlight the color pattern. We use a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful onyx, taupe and greige that merge with the kitchen color in a very sophisticated way. As you can see, the kitchen is light gray as well with a touch of green. Super lovely. With the client, we find each other with the same taste, so it was very, very easy to suggest, and she picked immediately. So kitchen island, huge kitchen island, all around the space, closed space, and surprise pantry. Okay, posh, but we need all the time to have extra space and be functional. Here, sink and hob in the island, never opposite, because it's where usually you have all the mess. I never like to show too much. Let's go to see here. TV unit with completely custom-made design together with the client, this beautiful TV unit. She really likes these styles from the first time that we saw, and from there we design all the rest. Little bit of fluted panel, the floated TV unit, and these extra shelves, just to avoid that when you enter you see the shoulder of the cabinet. That is never really nice. So floor, if you can see the floor in this beautiful pattern that already makes the house super luxury, and we pick together the future light. This is really one of my favorite, and immediately when we saw, we felt in love. See the beautiful movement that create. And then some light on top of the island in order to add the touch of luxury. Powder room. Powder room all the time, something new, something different, never a copy of other. So beautiful stone all around, sink, this very nice grey beige. A simple vanity, but a stunning pendant light that's super lovely. And the rose gold mixer on the island, again, the same tiles that you use for the vanity, and all the rest, of course, in coordination. Master and guest, let's go and see. Guest, again, super simple, super chic. The detail, again, here is this beautiful sink in stone beige. And here is a very clean, very neat. The element here is a little bit of polish in the back of the vanity, in the niche, and in the two niche of the shower. Let's go to see the master. Master bathroom, again, super neat, clean. The detail of the mixer in this beautiful brushed bronze, very nice. If you can see here, accessories that add a touch of color, but a beautiful big shower, see, a big opening, huge, very, very nice. A lot of niche, and in order to use all this space, an hidden cabinet, here and here. So functionality and hidden space, because usually all the apartment, they never have the right proper hidden space. Nice vanity where we add the handle for the towel. Back of the vanity, a beautiful onyx beige that makes everything really chic. For the master bedroom, two elements very important: false ceiling and a beautiful wallpaper with touch of gold. It's really a little bit an investment, this wallpaper. It was not very cheap, but now that I can see place, it's really fantastic. So there are certain things where you can really see the difference when you have a trained eyes. Stay tuned by Smart Renovation.